Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Netvue Orb camera mini. It's a home security camera by Netvue. Thank you Netvue for sponsoring this video and sending me this product. Okay, comes in the normal white and blue package. I'll show you the other one. That's the signature packaging. Look, that's the other camera. White and blue. White and green or blue, whatever you want to call it. It's like a between green and blue. So you got the Netvue sign. Okay, let's see. Netvue, made in China. So this is a 1080p camera apparently. Night vision. It's got two-way audio, human motion detection. The human detection is not very good. It's software based. It doesn't do a good job because I've tried on all the cameras. You put a micro SD card in. It's got pan and tilt. Support for Amazon Alexa. 24/7 recording. It uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. That is an issue because some newer routers you have to split the band just to use it, otherwise it won't work. And yeah, web client doesn't really do anything. The only way to use this is with the app, and the app does need a lot of improvements. It's getting there eventually. Okay, so this one, what I like about this one is got an antenna, because I've noticed on these Netvue cameras the Wi-Fi signals are pretty poor. Like even if my router sat right there, say the camera is right there, it's got 70% signal. How do you lose 30% signal from there to there? Do you know what I mean? It's got a weak chip inside or something, weak Wi-Fi chip. So yeah, this one might. Oh, is that just a cover? Oh, it's just a cover. What the hell? Is it a sticker or actual cover? Oh, that's weird. Okay, that's the first time I've seen that. So yeah, so I've already had the orb before, the Netvue Orb. Go check that out on my channel if you want to see. It's bigger than this. That's why this one's called the mini. It's like a smaller version of it. Hopefully it's still as good. Yeah. So yeah, there's your speaker in the back. So this swivels up, down, left and right. Obviously right now can't do it, so it moves left and right like that, as you can see. The bottom moves separate to that, and they move up and down with that. There's your Wi-Fi antenna, so that'll be very handy. SD card slot. So if you do want recordings, you're gonna need a SD card slot, because either it just saves to the cloud, which you have to pay for, or if you want free recording, you have to put a SD card in. I recommend 64 gigabytes. It does 3 days worth of recording. Yeah, and yeah, so 64 minimum, I'd say. It's worth 3 days is decent. There's your mounting if you want to mount it to the wall and stuff. Okay, let's take this thingy off. Bloody hell. That is a nice cover, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's very sticky though. Bloody hell. Right, put down here. That's to cover the lens and keep it protected while it's away. There's the lens itself, and the top one is your LED indicator. It looks like a green one compared to the red ones or the ones I've seen before. So yeah, there's your SD card slot. And yeah, that's the camera itself. Let's see what else you got inside the package. I think it's just mounting kit. Have a look anyway. I like this small one though, it's quite cute compared to the other one. It's got a cool design, I like it. So yeah, that's all your mounting kit in there, I think. Wow. Yep, all your mounting kit, your cable as well. They give you charger cable. Okay, so this cable we'll be using. Oh, they give you a plug as well this time. Oh, they changed the plug as well. Before it was just a cheap one. Now it's like a more higher end one that looks like a Samsung one. Not bad that. So yeah, 1 second guys. I guess this time they've actually upgraded these wires. These wires are thicker and longer, guys. These are much more better quality wires. That was a complaint I had before, because yeah, even these charger blocks been upgraded and meant to. So they've upgraded this side of it, and hopefully the camera is even better as well. This is maybe good because it does have a Wi-Fi antenna, whereas the other ones don't. So maybe this one will be the best camera we had so far. We'll have a look anyway. So yeah, that's the unboxing, guys. You set it up with the app, you make an account. There's a QR code on the back, you just scan that in, and yeah, you put in what it is, the product, scan that code, you make a ding ding, you show it on the screen with the QR code, so this camera will show it there, and then it's connected just like that. You have to put your Wi-Fi password in, that's it. And if it doesn't work, it's because you need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You have a new one which is using 5 GHz. So you need to split that somehow. If you don't know how to speak to somebody who does, they'll sort it out for you. I guess thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.